Okay, so let's estimate some concrete and figure out how much we need to order for concrete. Remember, your concrete has to be ordered in half cubic yards. Okay, so that means I can't order 0.3, I would have to order 0.5. So you can order 0.5, a whole cubic yard, 1.5 cubic yards, so forth and so on. So let's start by looking at our pad. So it's a 12 foot by 6 foot by 4 inches thick. So to find volume, I know I need to do length times width times height. In this case, I can't do that because I have an inch and then I have feet. So I've got to make sure all my measurements are the same. So you can do this two different ways. You can calculate, I could move my inches into feet and then find my volume and convert into yards, or I can start off converting everything into yards. I'm going to go ahead and just convert everything into yards for this example. All right, so let's start off with our 12 feet. So I have 12 feet. I want to convert that into yards. So I have 3 feet in 1 yard. So my feet are going to cancel out. 3 will go into 3 one time, 3 will go into 12 4 times, so I have 4 yards. Then I have 6 feet, convert that down into yards, so I have 3 feet in a yard, so my feet are going to cancel out. 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 6 2 times, so I have 2 yards. Then I have my 4 inches, so my 4 inches I need to convert into feet and then yards. So I'm going to do 12 inches into 1 foot, and then I'm going to do 3 feet into 1 yard. So in this case, my inches will cancel out, my feet will cancel out, and I'll be left with yards. So I can go ahead and simplify this down. 4 will go into 4 one time, 4 will go into 12 3 times, 3 times 3 is 9. So I have 1/9 of a yard. Okay, then for my volume, I'm going to take all of those and I'm going to multiply them. So I have 4 yards times 2 yards times 1/9 of a yard. Okay, so let's pull up calculator. Okay, and I'm going to do 1/9 times 4 times 2. That gets me 0.8889. So 0.89 repeating yards cubed. So how many yards do I order? Well, it's almost 1 yard. So I am going to order 1 cubic yard. For engineering, when we're talking about safety or when we're talking about supplies, it's always best to go over and have a little extra. It's better for your slab to be a little bit thicker. If your slab isn't thick enough, it's not going to be strong enough, sturdy enough, and it won't be able to hold up what you're trying to put on top of your slab. Your slab is your foundation, and that's the base for what you're holding everything on. So you could do it that way. The other way you could do this would be to convert just your inches into feet and then multiply that across. So if we do just 4 inches, 12 inches, 1 foot, right? That goes down to 1/3. So I have 1/3 of a foot. Then my volume is 12 feet times 6 feet times 1/3 of a foot, right? This, I can make math really easy. So 1/3 of 6 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24 feet cubed. Okay, because I have feet times feet times feet. Be really careful with your units here. Okay, very careful with your units. Now, when I'm converting feet cubed to yards cubed, here's what happens. A lot of students want to just take that 24 and they want to divide by 3. If I took that 24 and I divided it by 3, right, that's not going to get me, I'm going to end up ordering way over what I need, because I'm going to get 8 cubic yards, where notice that before we only got 1 cubic yard. That's a lot of extra concrete. You don't want to order extra. You'll be paying for it, and there's no returning concrete. So what you need to be aware of is that when you multiplied over here, you did 1, 2, 3 yards. We multiplied by 1/3 of a yard 3 times. So if I take 1/3 of a yard times 3, or to the 3rd power, that's much different than just 1/3. So in this case, I'm going to take 24 feet cubed, and I'm going to convert that 1 yard cubed over 27 feet cubed. How did I get 27? Well, 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3, right? 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 more gives me 27. Now, pull up my calculator again. If I take 24 divided by 27, notice what I get. I get the same thing that I got in my other problem. So now I know I've done it right. So I'm going to order that 1 yard again. Okay, so I got 1 cubic yard. I'm ordering 1 cubic yard. So I wanted to show you 2 different ways of doing it. You can do this either way. Just make sure that you're using the proper conversion when you are converting.